Students, I am Vinita. Welcome to all. Today I am going to start adjectives. And adjectives is word to describe a noun or a pronoun. Noun is a naming word and pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Okay, adjectives are those words that give color, shape, size, sound and feelings to nouns. Example: a sharp knife, a dusty road, a soft toy. The words sharp, dusty, soft are adjectives that describe the nouns knife, road and toy. Adjectives answer the questions whose, what kind, which one, how many or how much. Example: my brother is standing alone. Whose brother? My brother. The big elephant trumpeted loudly. What kind of elephant? Big elephant. This car belongs to Mr. Stephen. Which car? This car. 3 birds sat on a branch. How many birds? 3 birds. There was a lot of money in the bag. How much money? Lot of money. So, big, this, 3 and a lot of money give the answer whose, what kind, which one, how many and how much. And these are the adjectives. Now, in a sentence, an adjective can be placed at 3 places. Before a noun. Example: a beautiful house. Here, house is a noun and beautiful act as an adjective. And beautiful comes before a noun, house. Next, an honest boy. Here, boy is a noun and honest is act as an adjective and comes before noun boy. Second, after the various form of the verbs be, is, am, are, was, were, been and being. Example: Manan is tall. He is smart too. Here, tall is an adjective and is the form of be. Next, Rupa has been ill for a week. Here, ill is an adjective and been is a form of be. Third, after verbs like look, seem, grow, feel, etc. Example: this looks strange. Here, looks is a verb and strange act as an adjective and it comes after verb. Looks is a verb and strange is an adjective. Example second: she seems happy. Here, happy is an adjective and seems is a verb. Now, kinds of adjectives. Here are many kinds of adjective like adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Now first we discuss about adjective of quantity. Tell us about the quantity of the noun. Adjective of quantity, tell us about the quantity of noun. Example, some, few, much, less, etc. Yes, look at this example. Give me some money. Here, some is used as adjective of quantity. Okay. Now second, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tell us about the quality of the noun. Example, honest, nice, tasty, easy, difficult. Now look at this example. He is an honest person. Here, honest tells the quality of a person. Now adjective of number. Adjective of number tell us about the number of a noun. Example, 3, 4, 6, second, etc. Now look at the example. There are 7 marbles in the box. Here 7 is adjective of number. Now demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out at a particular person or thing. Example, these boys, those girls, this pen, that pen, etc. Now look at the example. This bike is not mine. Here, this is the demonstrative adjective. Now interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are used to ask questions. Interrogative adjective are used to ask questions. Example, which boy is out of the class? Second, what gifts did you receive? Next, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show belongingness of a particular noun. Example, my parents, their house, his bicycle, our dog, etc. Now look at the example of possessive adjectives. My friend lives close to my house. Here my is an possessive adjective. Always remember, a possessive adjective is placed before a noun. A noun also works as an adjective sometimes. Example, I have an interesting story to tell. Second, I have put all my story books away. In sentence A, the word story is used as a noun, whereas sentence B, the word story is used as an adjective because it adds more to the meaning of the noun book. Now here are some other examples. I ate a red apple. Second, I have made an apple pie. Here, apple is a noun, and here in second sentence, apple is an adjective. Adjectives are also used for comparison between different adjectives by changing their form. Degree of comparison. Here are 3 types of degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First, positive degree is the simplest form of the adjective. Example, he is a tall boy. Here, tall is a positive degree. Second, her dress is beautiful. Here, beautiful is a positive degree. Now, second is comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare between two people or things. We add ER to most adjectives to form comparative degree. Example, Ram is taller than Shyam. Here, taller is comparative degree. This shade is darker than that one. Here, darker is the comparative degree. For longer words, we add more before the words like more beautiful, more intelligent, and more interesting. Now, third is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare between more than two people or things. We generally add est as a suffix to make superlative degree. Example, Ram is the tallest boy in the class. Second, this is the darkest shade of red. Here, in first sentence, tallest is superlative degree and darkest is, in second sentence, darkest is superlative degree. For longer words, we add most before the word most beautiful, most intelligent, most interesting, etc. Now come to the exercise related to the adjectives. Write 4 adjectives for each of the given word. Here, first, bus. You have to write 4 adjectives for bus, like big, red. You have to mention the color of the bus, and okay, you have to complete other words. Use 4 adjectives for each of the given word. You have to do this exercise in your notebook. Fill in the following blanks using possessive adjectives. First, she took son for a dental checkup. Here, what possessive adjective you have to use? She took her son for a dental checkup. Like this, you have to fill these rest of the blanks, and you have to do this exercise in your notebook. Fill in the following blanks using adjectives of quantity from the help box. Funny, happy, interesting, attractive, lazy, ignorant, sincere. You have to use these words to make the complete these sentences. Okay, students, and done these exercise in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, this is all about the adjectives. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.